Okay, so last time I set this up, I did not use the blue tarp, and the entire front was saturated, filled with puddles. This did not do anything for it. Even the very back was completely just monsoon puddles. No, Papa. But the back, the sleeping area is fine. Now, I looked at it, and this is on a slope a little bit going this way. Kind of, you can almost just, I don't know if you can see the ground, but it's kind of just definitely going this way. And then, right where tiny house meets a tent, there it kind of goes on flat. But here I notice it kind of goes like a little bit, so I'm trying not to judge it too much. Wanted to kind of set up a little bit differently this time. Probably need some more hooks, or more clamps, but just seeing if this might help a little bit more in terms. I'm just experimenting to see exactly how much of this I need to cover. See, the whole front is now covered. This, I mean, it doesn't really allow much of an awning to it, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and clamp this here. Okay, so there we go. So I think I'm gonna have it. And as you can see, it's only a matter of time. This side's a little bit more out. This side looks a little bit better. Oh, I might get another clamp. Oh, there's an extra right there. Let's see, this side. I'm doing some just experimenting to see if how much it will exactly go down. There. I'm amazing at videoing. Look at this. This is like top-notch editing too. Look at this. You can already see a problem. Okay, so maybe if I do like a whole, like, so if I go like that, I don't know. That might work. Let's see. I don't know. I guess I need to guide these out more. Put some guides at the bottom over here. I don't know. We'll set this up differently. But let's just see. This little experiment. Let's just see. There we go. I just grabbed it and knocked it down. Perfect. On how much this is going to protect, to cover, do everything. There. Alright guys, let's go ahead and see. And let's, I don't know. I'm just curious to see if it's less water than before. It is no water in there. I cleaned it all out. It's perfect. Tobias like, give me my bone. Like, no, you can't get your bone yet. So we will come back and see. I gotta go to the store. And then, oh, look at that beauty. And then we will see what it looks like. Alright. Be back. Tobias, no, you can't get that.